In this corner of the vast healthcare arena, the stage is set. The player, a small biopharmaceutical company. The event, the start of a large clinical trial that will kick off within 6 months. There is tremendous excitement, but also anxiety as well. As the date for the trial's start approaches, Ellen Roberts, the company's clinical supply manager, is being bombarded with queries. What are the timelines? How much inventory do we need? How should interactive response technology be deployed to manage the inventory? Who will design and translate the drug's label? When will the drug be available to ship to the sites? With all these questions and more to be answered, it's no wonder that the clinical trial manager is stressed out, anxious. Ellen knows that to manage all of these things, she'll need the support of experts. Fortunately, Ellen is introduced to the clinical supply chain manager from Fisher Clinical Services, Tony McCabe. With experience managing clinical supply chains for global trials, Tony provides Ellen with an accurate overall forecast of how much drug the trial will require, using sophisticated forecasting tools such as Monte Carlo simulation that will determine optimal drug supply quantities. Tony also provides Ellen advice on how to properly pack, label, and distribute clinical material for that specific trial, optimizing the balance between risk and cost. He then conducts a risk analysis to proactively identify and mitigate potential issues that may arise. Once the strategies are confirmed and plans are in place, Tony oversees the execution of the trial, from label development, translation and approvals, to initial and ongoing inventory levels, to returns and destruction, eliminating bottlenecks, reducing drug and comparator wastage, and proactively resolving challenges before they impact the trial. Half of the trials we manage are sponsored by new and emerging sponsors. Tony is one of the many experienced supply chain managers that help innovators bring their drugs to market and secure key funding to meet their next research milestone. Fisher Clinical Services is committed to providing excellence in clinical supply chain management to every trial and every sponsor, regardless of size or complexity, with a total solution for supply chain and clinical trial support.